I grew up believing that therapy was a shameful topic, a place for the rich, something inaccessible, something taboo. I was never taught to normalize emotional wellness as a man. I was expected to take in all of the trauma, environmental, physical, and mental, and never really found a healthy outlet to express any of it. We were told to pray about it, be strong, talk to your parents, talk to the pastor, but definitely keep your symptoms a secret.
I think it's important to see a therapist because the methods they use to assist us in managing our emotions and reactions are all rooted in years of professional training in the way that the human mind works. In addition to the scientific foundations of psychotherapy, the help of a good therapist consists of assessments and suggestions from the viewpoint of what should be an unbiased third party. And this allows us to overcome our blind spots, exercise introspection, and solve issues and problems of which we may be unaware.
At SaveSouls, we are on a mission to promote mental health wellness within our Afro-Caribbean community. Our international directory gathers mental health practitioners across the Caribbean and in the US on one platform in order to provide culturally competent therapy. Our goal is to support and make therapy easily accessible to all our Afro-Caribbean individuals. We are waiting and we are equipped to serve you. If you're a therapist, list your practice with us and join our mission in making mental health well-being a priority.